There you go. Perfect. Excellent. Yeah, you got this. You're going to go straight down. Straight down. You're going to follow that red rope. Straight down over that bulge. Over that bulge of rock. Stay on your left. Yep. Go to the left. There you go. That's it. Keep going down. Now just let your feet dangle in the air. Pretend you're rappelling down a helicopter like an army. Perfect. Okay, now put your feet against the waterfall. All the way to the bottom. There you go. That's it. Perfect. All the way to the flat part. All right. Stand up. Feed the rope and walk back. Good job.